Welcome back to day 20 of Advent of Cyber 2021. In today's task, we are to analyze a file that has been sent to MacParol by one of his elves. First, start the machine, and then this split screen will automatically appear. And the test file that we are to test is called test file. First, let's go to the questions. Now the first question is telling us to use strings command, and the second question is telling us to use file command to see the contents of file and type of file and other things. So let me show you my method for analyzing a malicious file. Let's open the terminal. Alright, cd desktop. Since our file is on the desktop, our file is called test file. Let's use the command file strings. These are two of the most basic command you utilize while testing a malicious file or any kind of file you do not know anything about. The first question is, when you open the terminal and navigate to the desktop named file using the string, what is a single line of output you get? And this is the answer. Now since I am using Chrome, I can directly copy and then directly paste it here. So I have to use this. So we have done the first question. For the next question, it asks what is the file type using the file command. So this is the answer. The next question is calculate the file hash and search for it on VirusTotal. Now I don't know what kind of hash they are talking about, so I will use shasham file to calculate the hash of this file. They might be asking for MD5 hash. For that you have to use MD5 sum and it will calculate the hash for you, but I am going to use shasham test file, and this is our hash. Let's just copy that. Now I will just put that here because I have to search on this file. Now let's go to virustotal.com. VirusTotal. Now you can go to search using file hash. Let's paste the hash we calculated for our test file. Now you see a bunch of red colors all around the screen, basically telling that this is actually a virus file. Now let's discuss the structure of VirusTotal file. So this is the hash we searched for. This is the date and time this information on the page was updated. This is the size usually assigned to the virus file. In this tab, these are various companies that give this virus different names, like AVG Antivirus has given this file iCar test not virus. Under the details tab, it tells you about basic properties. It also says you MD5 hash. So if we have searched it via MD5 hash, we also would have gotten the same page. Here is the history. Actually, the answer to the question they have asked next in Try Hack Me is this. Let's copy that. Go back to our Try Hack Me and see they have asked when was the file first seen in a while. Let's paste this. After that, on VirusTotal Detections Lab, what is the classifications assigned to the file by Microsoft? So if you go back to in detection tab and search for Microsoft, you will see that Microsoft has assigned it as okay. So timeout happens. If it does that, you have to refresh the page and hope the next time Microsoft detects it. Let's search it again, and you will see it has detected it. This is the answer to our question. Paste it here. After that, they have asked us to go to this link to learn more about this file and what it is used for. We see that this link leads us to a page in icar.org. Let's get back to our questions. What were the first two names of this file? And then the second is, what is the maximum number of total character that can be used in the file? What you should do is read through all of them, but I am in a hurry to answer all the questions, so I will just give you a quick look. In the first line, they'll tell us the names they were used initially. The file used to be named this or this, and they are actually expecting the or between two names. Let's enter that. After that, if you read through this, they tell about whitespace character and ask the maximum number of total whitespace character that can be in the file. So let's just do Control F and type whitespace, and we see that it tells us the first 68 character is the known string. It may optionally appended by any combination of whitespace character with a total file length not exceeding 128 character. So our answer to this question shall be 128. Now we have completed this task. Let's end this video here.